Some pre-cooked spaghetti pasta. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my mini tomatoes, grape tomatoes that I washed already, right in there. All right, and I'm gonna grab some mini cucumbers that I sliced up. This is about 3 mini cucumbers. And we're just pouring that right in. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna grab some purple onions that are already diced. I'm not gonna use this whole container, just a nice sprinkle in there. And if you don't like onions, you can totally skip that. They're optional, but I love onions. Now I'm gonna grab some bell peppers. This is some mini bell peppers, orange and red, that I cut up. And we're just gonna put that right on there. This is gonna be such a yummy lunch. I love making this for the spring, summertime. You don't really need to stay in your kitchen for too long. It's super quick and super easy. Now for some seasoning, I have some chopped parsley. And I'm just gonna do a nice little sprinkle in there. Ooh, yeah, this is gonna be so good. And don't worry, we're gonna mix this all together. We're just gonna add a few more things and then this will be ready. Now for the cheese of choice, I got some feta crumbles, but you can do whatever cheese you like. You can do mozzarella, you can do Parmesan, but I just really wanted some feta today, so I'm throwing that into our pasta salad. Oh yeah, lots of cheese. I'm gonna use this whole container because I love me some cheese. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put that to the side. And we're gonna grab a bowl and a fork because we are gonna do some homemade dressing. All right, go ahead and grab some olive oil. We're gonna use about 1/3 of cup of olive oil. So just really squeeze that baby in there. Beautiful. You could measure out yourself, but I'm just measuring with my eyes. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and grab some minced garlic and just, that's plenty of minced garlic. I probably put too much. You need about 1 clove of garlic. All right, and then the best ingredient, sun-dried tomatoes. Go ahead and grab your fork and just plop in about 3 or 4 of these sun-dried tomatoes. Yummy. Okay, I want one more because they just look too good. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab a lemon. We're gonna give this a nice cut right in half because that juice is gonna go right into our dressing mixture. Just squeeze it right in there. Oh, that was a juicy lemon. Oh yeah, I don't think I've ever gotten that much juice out of a lemon before. All right, now I'm gonna grab some oregano leaves, some dry oregano. Just really get some in there because this is seasoning up our entire dish, so we need a lot in there. And then of course we need the classics, some black pepper. And you could totally just use whatever seasonings you like. This is just how I like to make my pasta salad dressing. And then last but not least, some pink Himalayan salt. And we're just gonna do a nice little sprinkle in there. Okay, now this is ready to be mixed together and we are just gonna kind of squish and mix all of that goodness together. Oh yeah. This is gonna be so good. And now our dressing is ready for our pasta salad. Put this to the side. Grab that yummy pasta we made. And then let's drizzle this on top. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Get those tomatoes on there. Now it is time to give this a good mix. Get all those flavors combined together. Oh my gosh, this looks so colorful and so healthy and delicious. Okay, this is looking nice and mixed. Time to get myself a serving. Oh yeah. This is gonna be so good, you guys. I want some cucumbers in there. Beautiful. Best pasta salad you could have. Okay, let's get a nice bite. Look how good that looks. So good, you guys.